Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And in this video, we're going to talk about a dead cap bounce that's currently happening and outlook for the next day or two. And we will see what happens. But first, make sure you check out the links down below for my free Discord chat room for the S&P Emini futures. Second, my weekly trade S&P trade zones, only $50 for a lifetime subscription. And then third, my Patreon swing trade trade alerts. So make sure you check those out. Again, all the links are down below, but let's jump into this video. So today we had in the market what I call a dead cap bounce, or essentially what you have is a big down day, a rally, right? Like, okay, everybody's buying the dip and then the markets make a new low, right? That's kind of a dead cap bounce where everybody gets suckered in. They think it's all clear to buy again, and then boom, the sellers come in. Let's take a look at a 20-minute or a 20-day, 15-minute chart. We are now making lower highs and lower lows, right? Let's just focus on the bigger picture right now until something changes, but this is what's going on, right? Lower highs, lower lows. So overnight, could we maybe get a bounce back higher? Yes, but with that being said, this is our significant high that has to be taken out, 46.70, before the market could reverse to the upside. Me personally, I think this market's broken. I actually said that over the weekend video. So be careful kind of with this market. Be careful trading with what's going on. Let's take a look at 1 hour chart. Okay, and this is why I say it's broken, right? Draw your trend lines however you want. Okay, but there's this trend line, there's this trend line, and then there's this trend line right here, right? And so what happened was we were on one side of the trend line for a while. Boom, we break on the other side, keep touching the back of it, and then start to fall. We're now, for the longest time, we were above with all the moving averages. Now we're below them, right? Keep getting stuck by these moving averages on the 1 hour chart. I actually think we're going to see more downside. My first kind of levels to watch, because we bounced today essentially right off this prior all-time high before the last pullback and then the takeoff. I actually think, again, we might go sideways for a day or two, but then reverse or overnight. I think we're going lower. I think eventually we're going to this 44, probably 80 level. It's a low volume node right here. Okay, and it's also the low of this trend line from these three high lows, right? So just kind of that also matches up pretty much with this prior swing high, right? This was the breakout, resistance, pullback, and then breakout. Very first touch, probably find some buyers. So we'll say 44.75 to 44.80. That's what I'm looking for going into the next day or two. So I'm going to keep this video short. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Like I said, be careful of these dead cap bounces. People get suckered in by every single dip. I think it's a little different right now. The Fed just came out, said they're raising interest rates. Probably sooner. They're going to double their bond buying back. Instead of doing 15 billion, they're probably going to do 30 in a lot quicker span, to where maybe by March we start getting these rate increases, which is not good for the market overall. But with that being said, thank you. Be safe out there. Remember, links down below to everything, and come join me in my free Discord chat room. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.